Hi everyone, it's Eden-Olivia. I hope you're well. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going out for dinner and drinks in London. Woo! Very excited. Why have I always got a hairband on my wrist? I mean, obviously I need it, but it's not part of the outfit. Although it does match my nails. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it does. Anyway. Yeah, but before I go out for dinner and drinks, I'm meant to be making... Today's the day that I make the family dinner. Try to swap with my brother. He wasn't having it, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be going to Sainsbury's and getting some ingredients. I'm just going to be making chicken pesto pasta. Yeah, chicken pesto pasta for dinner. Right, let's do this. Shopping bag, so I don't have to pay 20p. Woo! Even though it's going to charity, but reusable, you know. Oh, I've got to reverse. Oh, it's fine. This is why we drive. Get that heating on. It's nippy. I've done enough cooking videos, but I thought I'll still show you what I'm doing. Dinner is served. Doesn't look that great, but I just tried some and it's yummy. Woo! Okay, now it's time to do the makeup. I have an hour till I need to leave. Oh, yesterday, well last night, I watched Lord of the Rings. That has been the third time I watched that film. I say third time. The other two times I just quit. Great film, honestly, but it's 3 hours long. So the other two times I watched it, I'd think, right, we must be like halfway through now. And it'd only been an hour, so I just quit. But yesterday I was watching it downstairs in the front room and it was a vibe. It was a moment. So I'm glad that I soldiered through it. It was so good. And I'm kind of excited to get home already so that I can watch the second one. Because I'm kind of into it. Do you know what? I think it's the characters. Little Sam, bless him. What a good friend. We all need a Sam in our lives. Bless his little heart. So yeah, that was what my evening consisted of. Wasn't watching a Christmas film. Was watching Lord of the Rings. I had a little lay-in, which was really nice. Woke up at 10 and then went on TikTok. That was my first thing. And yeah, was on TikTok for literally 3 hours. Not to be a Debbie Downer, but I paid for next day delivery for Pretty Little Thing. And my parcel still isn't here. This was a good few days ago now. Hermes, whatever they're called, they messaged and said that you wasn't in. Yes, I was. Why are they lying? Or now? They said they're gonna, you know, try and send it again. I've not had anything. They're mugging me off and I'm trying to not have it. Just gonna hope and wait and hopefully my dress will arrive. Seriously. I'm wearing a dress on Christmas Day. My nan wants everyone to wear red, so it's a cute little red dress. I'm very, very excited to wear it. I love getting dressed up. On Christmas Day, I'm not the kind of person to wear, like, pyjamas. I like to do my hair and makeup. I like to get dressed up, you know. Right, I think I've spoken enough, not gonna lie. I am gonna finish my makeup off camera, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. And I'm ready to party with the... What are the lyrics to the rest of the song? Anyway, I'm ready. Makeup is done. I was going to have my hair up, but do you know what? It's a bit nippy out there. And at least if my hair's down, you know, it will cover my little neck, bless it. So now I need to get changed. The tracksuit is comfortable and cosy, but we're going out for dinner. So I'm going to dress up a little bit. And we're done. It's really hard to spin in these boots. Anyway, so I'm wearing this... Let's fix it properly. This cream roll neck jumper from Pull & Bear. I also have on these black leggings from Pull & Bear and these black chunky boots from Misguided. Hopefully I'll be nice and warm. And I'm out of breath. Oh my gosh. I need some water. I need a bag, I've just remembered. Yeah, this one will do. I love that you can have it long ways, well, long, or up the shoulder like that. So we're going to be taking this one out. Right. What's in my bag haul? Vaseline, lip gloss, lip liner, earphones, purse. Is it going to fit in here? Should I get a small? Oh, it does. Mirror, an anti-back, mask. And I'm changing my purse because the other one was a bit big. And we're done. I forgot to put setting spray on. Does setting spray and primer even work? Anyway, and some perfume. Let's get ready to rumble. I'm going to be taking this fluffy coat. I'm obsessed. I don't know what scarf to take. I love this scarf and it's obviously thick, but it's the kind of scarf that, you know, like already, like, I think I need to put it in the washing machine so that it doesn't just shed. That's what animals do in the winter or the summer. I don't know. Anyway, what this one? I think this one is better. Right, let's get going. Change the scarf because the other one was just getting in my hair and it wasn't cute. Can you even see me? Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm at the restaurant Las Iguanas. It's absolutely freezing, but we'll move. We've got little, what's this? A heater all around. I don't want to get stranger dangers in, but Luella, Lucy, and this is our food. So that's the setup, and outside there's just, we can hear the trains every now and then.
It's romantic.
Yeah, it's very cute. But yeah, this is what we're doing. Guys, I forgot to tell you I had chicken quesadilla and calamari. Woo! Oh, and it was lovely. Guys, we've got a little tequila shot. Woo! No.
Great. Love that.
Oh gosh, no. Okay guys, so that is the end. I'm really hoping that you guys can actually see and hear me. Love that I'm on this bridge in Central. It was so nice just to have dinner with everyone, have a little catch up, and some drinks. It was freezing, but they had electric heaters outside, which was good. But now I'm just walking back to the train station and I'm going home because it's absolutely freezing out. Get me in my bed. Will actually get me home to watch Lord of the Rings. Oh gosh, the train. You'll have to see it. Anyway, I hope you guys can hear me. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Sorry about this bad lighting. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.